All right, hello, and yeah, welcome back to COVID-19. All right, so this tutorial on how to hack it, in case those that want to, you know, have some fun. All right, so I've hacked a little bit of it. I'm gonna hack it again anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys. So what you want to do? You want to put the number in, exact same number that you see at the top screen. That's the number you want to put it. All right, so I'm gonna put it in. You want to use float and rounded extreme. So you start pick the number. So take that number, max it out. Bam. All right, same thing here. Shit, 9. It might pick it up, might pick up a bunch of other numbers behind it. All right, so pick a bunch of numbers behind it. All right, so what you want to do, you go to another country, and you just want to give away some medical supplies. Okay, then what you want to do, just type the next number in. Okay, and if you get two of them, just freeze both of them. Just freeze both of them. Reason why, some of a lot of time every time you start a new game, you won't get the same number, 240. You know, then you like for money, you might get two of them, depending on your starting number. If you do get two of them, just freeze both of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, go to the country, tell some science. Okay, what you do is you bring it up. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 1, 2, 3. New scan. Take both of them since they're both the same number, and just freeze them out. That's what you gotta do, and get to play it. So if you let it go, watch. So you see the numbers don't change; they just stay the same. Now money, of course, did change. What you want to do is you delete the top one, okay, and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you do happen to see one of your numbers change, just bring it up for that country of what it is. Give away money, okay. Bring back up your cheat engine. Type the exact same number that you just put in. Oh, not you put in, but the game put in for you. Click it, take both of them, and just freeze them out. Do remember though, every time you lose COVID and you have to start over, you have to hack the same numbers all over again, the exact same way you see it here. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So yeah, so that's the tutorial on how to hack COVID-19. If you got any questions, oh wait, you know what? To answer all your questions, the other bar, the death, the immune count, the infected population are numbers you cannot mess with. I mean, unless you're like one of those number one um, people who know how to use cheated. So yeah, so I'm not an expert. I just know the basics. So anyway, yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you're new, subscribe. And yeah, enjoy the video. Peace out. Bye.